If you've ever struggled to organize your launch countdown posts ahead of time, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to plan and schedule these posts efficiently using a scheduler, so you can focus on other tasks and stay on track for your launch. First, let's talk about why using a scheduler for countdown posts is a game changer. When you're preparing for a big launch, time is critical. Manually posting countdowns every day can drain your energy and take up valuable time. With a scheduler, you can set everything up in advance and automate the process, ensuring that your countdowns are consistent and timely. To get started, the first thing you need to do is choose the right software. There are a ton of options out there, but after trying the most popular ones, I found one that stands out. The software we'll be using in this tutorial offers simple, intuitive tools to set up your countdown posts, and it even lets you customize your schedule for maximum impact. I've linked an exclusive free trial to the software in the description below, so if you want to follow along, make sure to grab that. Now let's jump into the actual process. First, you'll need to connect your social media accounts to the scheduler. This is usually done through an API, which takes just a few clicks. Once your accounts are linked, you can move on to creating your posts. The key to success here is to plan your content well in advance. Start by determining how many countdown posts you want to make. Depending on your launch strategy, you might post a countdown a few days in advance, or maybe you want to ramp it up in the final week. Whatever your plan is, make sure your posts are spaced evenly so your audience stays engaged without feeling overwhelmed. Next, create your countdown posts. You'll want these to be visually compelling and consistent with your branding. Keep the messaging short and clear, highlighting the most important details about the launch, what's coming, when, and how your audience can get involved. Once your posts are ready, move to the scheduling part. With most schedulers, you can easily drag and drop your posts onto a calendar. Choose the date and time for each post, and let the software handle the rest. You can even set up automatic posting for things like 3 days left or 1 day left countdowns. One tip for success is to mix up your content. Don't just post the same countdown message over and over again. Switch it up with behind-the-scenes looks, sneak peeks of your product, or even testimonials from people who've used your product or service. This adds variety and keeps your audience excited. Another important feature in the software we're using is the ability to track the performance of your posts. You can see what's working and tweak your strategy if necessary. This data will help you refine your approach for future launches. The great thing about this approach is that it saves you time and keeps you organized, while also ensuring that your audience is constantly reminded about your upcoming launch. You won't have to worry about remembering to post every single day, and you'll have peace of mind knowing everything is on schedule. So what's the key takeaway from this video? When planning launch countdown posts, a scheduler is your best friend. It helps you stay organized, maintain consistency, and save time, so you can focus on what really matters, launching your product successfully. To recap the main points, first, choose a reliable scheduler and connect your social media accounts. Then, plan your countdown posts ahead of time, create engaging content, and schedule them. And don't forget to track your post performance to fine-tune your strategy. Before I close off, remember, I've included an exclusive free trial link to the software we used in the description below. It's available only to viewers of my channel, so take advantage of it and follow along to make your next launch a breeze. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your launch.